Hi teachers and staff, I want to show you a quick little trick that you can use to extend what your Canvas space is on a given slide, especially if you're uploading these slides into Lumio as notebook files. Because then we're going to see that our resolution is a little bit different and we've got this gray space on the sides. We don't have as much Canvas space to work with. All that we have to do is, with our screen just being normal, we want to make sure that we're not zoomed in at all. So back to the original screen size, I'm going to take just one finger and start moving it over to the right. And you can see that there's a box that comes up and it starts shrinking. I'm going to shrink it all the way until it gives me a check mark. What that just did is it changed the resolution size of my screen to where now, look at all the canvas space that I have on the outside of my problem. And I can still zoom in to the exact space that I want, but now look at all the extra canvas space that I have. And even if I was to write something, when I zoom back out, it's going to stay with that space. So it's not as if it's being written on top of it. It's a part of the slide. Hopefully this will give you an opportunity to have more space when you're writing with your application problems or something of that nature.